How to make money online. Okay, so yan yung pinaka-most search keyword in Google and YouTube. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you six online side hustles that you can start, all right, for you to be able to make money online. Okay, so hi guys, Tio Pilo here of freedomlabph.com and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, in this channel, we talk all about passive income, maybe from business, investments, or online opportunities. So if bago ka pa dito, make sure to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification because we will be releasing videos like this one every week. Okay? So before we formally start, I just want to mention na I already got my lapel mic. Okay, nandito na siya. Alright? So, hopefully the audio quality now is better. So, I'm gonna serve you better. And then, at the same time, I've read your messages, okay, your comments. And then, yeah, we'll do whiteboard presentation. So, most of you, kasi visual, diba? You appreciate whiteboard presentation. So, we're gonna be doing that later. Because currently also, I'm still learning, okay? I'm still learning how to put images, okay? Paano ba mag-edit ng video? So, I don't know how to do that yet, but this video, okay, this video is a proof na you don't have to perfect everything. You just take action, okay, and just learn along the way. So, if ikaw, you meron ka mga projects, again, you just take action and learn along the way, okay? So, now, let's go to our whiteboard, okay, and let's talk about the 6 online side hustles that you can do to make money online. Alright, so the first one that I would highly recommend in making money online is affiliate marketing. So basically, I earned my first success online through affiliate marketing. It's basically recommending other people's product, okay, and getting a commission kapag may bibili based dun sa recommendation mo. Okay, so anyway, I won't dig deeper into affiliate marketing and how it works. I believe meron akong playlist, okay, you can check that out. But I want to point out nandito na if you want to start into affiliate marketing, meron siya mga pros and cons, okay? Pros and cons. So number one sa pros is that you don't have to start from scratch, okay? You don't have to start from scratch, okay? Because shortcut na yan guys ha. Kasi most people in terms of making money online, they would be asking like, wala akong product, okay? Wala pa akong website, alright? So, sa affiliate marketing, you don't need to have all those things. So, you just become an affiliate of a product owner, existing product owner, and then recommend mo na lang, okay? Tapos, kapag may bibili, kikita ka ng commission, alright? So, this is actually the fastest and simplest way of making money online. So, yan yung pros. Ang cons naman is that you don't have, okay? You don't have control, alright? You don't have control. You don't have control over the product and the company. Because, say for example, what if yung company would decide to change the product line, decide to change the compensation, okay, so wala kang control niyan. Okay, so yan yung challenge because you don't own the product, you don't have control, alright? So, if you want to know how to get started with affiliate marketing, so it's very simple, like, just look at the things na, ano ba yung ginagamit mo ngayon, what you have purchased, and just try to check if meron silang affiliate program, okay? So, ako, as of my case, I actually enrolled in an online course, okay? Tapos, nagustuhan ko siya. And it so happened that I want to also share it to other people. And, tamang-tama, meron silang affiliate program. So, when I recommend that online course, tapos people also buy that course, then kikita ako, okay? Another affiliate program that I'm also promoting would be software products, okay? Kasi meron akong websites, meron akong mga email service provider. So I'm also recommending these tools to my audience, and people also buy these tools, okay? Kasi they also want to build an online business. Then doon ako kikita ng commission. So that is affiliate marketing, one of the best ways you can start in making money online, okay? So the next side hustle would be, alright, so marunong na tayo mag-magic. Okay, so at least I know a little how to do some editing. Hindi na ako kailangan mag-erase. Okay. Anyway, so next side hustle will be online financial coach. So, why do I recommend this one? Kasi when I was still working and then I was looking for an opportunity kung paano ako will be paid based on my time. Okay, so I actually stumbled upon being a financial advisor, and I was able to quit my job, okay, because of that opportunity. And right now, because of technology, you can actually become a financial advisor through online, okay? So, kaya nga, this is one of the best best ways on how you could also make money online by being an online financial coach. So, ano ba yun? So, as an online financial coach, you basically teach people the importance of saving and investing. Tapos, once you're able to help them realize that, you can now recommend mga products and services. And then, once people buy on those products like healthcare, investments, life insurance, doon ka kikita ng commission. Okay? So, that's a simple way of ano ba yung online financial coach. So I'm gonna share with you ano naman yung pros and cons. Okay? So the pros of online financial coach is that you'll be paid based on results. Okay? Be paid based on results, meaning the more people you help, the more commission that you can get. Okay? The more commission that you can get. So ano tawag nito? Like, in fact, yan yung reason paano ko nakapag-quit ng job ko, because I was able to earn, yung income ko was higher than my previous job. Okay? Because kapag you're employed, you're paid based on time. Okay? But if you're into this profession, pwede kang kumita based on results. Another con would be, it's a noble career. Okay? A very noble career wherein you help people by making them save money and invest money, not by making people spend. Okay, so it's a very good career because like you can never go wrong teaching people how to save and invest. So yeah, it's a very good career. And then, however, ito yung cons because people, in terms of savings and investing and insurance, okay, people are allergic to these types of topic. Okay, people would rather spend, rather than save and invest. Okay, that's why pwede kang ma-reject talaga. Okay, pwede kang ma-reject. So there are a lot of rejections probably coming from your friends, from your families, and a lot of yung mga bago pa into this career, then a lot would be very discouraged because of this one. So yan yung pros and cons of being an online financial coach. All right. The third online side hustle that you can venture is stock market trading. Okay, stock market and online trading, because you're not just limited right now to just buy and sell stocks. Okay, so pwede ka rin mag-trade in like cryptocurrencies, like foreign exchange, commodities, okay, and even trade in the global market. Okay, because of technology. Right, so stock trading, however, okay, disclaimer, okay, is not easy. It's challenging and you could lose a lot of money. But why do I recommend this one is because ano tawag nito? Pros and cons. So stock trading or online trading is basically like magbabuy and sell ka ng mga corporations, like you buy Jollibee and then you sell it. Okay, you buy like Tesla and then you sell it for a profit. You buy Bitcoin and sell it for a profit. So it's trading. Yan yung stock market trading or stock and online trading. So the pros and cons of this one, and why do I recommend it, is because this is perfect for introverts. Alright? So if ikaw, you're the type of person na you don't want to interact with people, okay, gusto mo lang kumita na nasa bahay ka lang na you don't have to really talk to people or whatever. So this is perfect for you because what you have to do is just look at charts, graphs, tapos you just buy and sell. And then as long as meron kang pera, okay, meron kang cash, then yeah, you can make money in stock trading. Okay, however, the cons is that you need to have huge money to make huge profit. Okay, kasi let's say for example, yung pera mo lang is just like 10,000 pesos. Okay, you invested in the stock market, you do buy and selling, tapos kikita ka ng 10%. Ooh, laki ng 10%, di ba? In your trading. So yung 10%, that's just 1,000 pesos. Okay? So hindi siya significant. Alright, so kapag gusto mo kumita ng malaki in stock trading, dapat malaki din yung capital mo. Let's say for example, meron kang 1 million, tapos you do stock trading, earning 10%, so meron kang 100,000 in profit. So yan yung challenge niya or cons, is that kailangan mo rin ng malaking capital if you really want to earn significant money. Okay, but then again, you don't need a lot of money to get started. Okay? You don't need to have a lot of money to get started, and if you want to maximize your gains, mas maganda if meron kang malaking capital. Okay, pero the pro, okay, perfect for introverts. Alright, so the next one, the fourth one would be ebook business. Okay, ebook business. So ito yung fourth side hustle that you can start. So let's say for example, basically it's creating a digital book. Okay, so yun lang, create ka ng digital book. No need for printing or whatever. No need for mga publishing. You can self-publish it and yun, you can sell it on line. Okay, so if ikaw ay mahilig ka magsulat, then this could be for you. Okay, this could be for you. So the pros of ebook business is that virtually you can perfect to turn your passion into profession. Okay, so as cliche as that may sound, pwede yan as long as you go into ebook business. Okay, so lahat na natutunan mo, like for example, magaling ka with leadership, pwede kang gumawa ng ebook through leadership. You're good in personal finance, you can create an ebook with personal finance. Mahilig ka with sales and marketing, you can create an ebook with this one. So yan yung pro of the ebook business. So another one is that you create it once, okay, and you can sell it over and over and over. All right, so basically, like, kasi unlike sa printing, unlike sa physical book, kailangan ng printing. This one, you just create it once, okay? Sulat mo lang sa Microsoft Word, okay, or Google Docs, and then download it as a PDF. Boom, may ebook ka na, okay? May ebook ka na. So this is a very good side hustle that you can start. The con of this one is it may take time, okay? It may take time, especially if hindi ka marunong magsulat. Okay, it will take time kasi yeah, you have to create the content, okay, and then at the same time, ano tawag nito? Probably you can sell the ebook around 500 pesos per each, okay? So you can price it that one. So medyo if gusto mo kumita ng significant amount, so you may need to really sell a lot of copies, okay? However, yun, that's one of the best ways if you want to convert your passion into profession, make money out of your passion, that it's very good to have an ebook business, okay? So that's for the fourth one. The fifth one is freelance career or freelancing business. So freelancing, ano ba yun? So right now, because of technology, we can connect globally. Okay, so there are online businesses like, let's say for example, outside the country, from the US or whatever, okay, from other countries, and they want to outsource. Okay, they want to outsource tasks like virtual assistant, okay, like email copy, design, okay, video editing. Okay, so instead na mag-hire sila local, okay, local employees, some of them would rather want to work with freelancers, okay? And by being a freelancer, okay, as long as meron kang skills, you can help these businesses grow, okay? You can help these entrepreneurs and business owners grow their business by offering your skills. So example, magaling ka with writing, you're good with photo editing, video editing, okay? Or advertising, you can offer these skills to business owners. That is a freelance business career. You could also do that. So the pro of this one is that you can virtually earn dollars at home, okay? So hindi mo na kailangan mag-abroad, okay? Gusto mong kumita ng dollars, okay? You can become a freelancer. How? Yun nga, if meron kang skills, then you can connect with foreign clients, okay? Connect with foreign clients, and then you offer your skills and service to them, okay? So you can be paid dollars at home. So freelancers, okay, are also paid handsomely, right? So the cons lang dito is that if you treat freelancing as employment, okay, employment. So if you treat it, okay, so there's a way for you to treat freelancing as a business, okay, but that's for another topic. But some freelancers, yun nga, they treat it as a employment. So meaning possible na meron silang mga client na medyo kasi ibang yung race, di ba? Iba yung mga foreigners. You're dealing with foreigners, okay, foreign clients. So baka different yung culture, different yung time zone, okay? So and then sometimes you could also pwede ka na magkaroon ng mga headache client, okay? And at the same time, say for example, meron kang project ngayon, what if next month wala na yung project, okay? So maghahanap ka na naman ng client. So if you treat this as employment, that could be a con. Another one is you need to skill up. Kasi how can you offer your skills if wala kang skills, di ba? So you really need to skill up, and sometimes by learning skills, it may also cost money, okay? It could quite be expensive by learning skills that you can offer to clients. So that is freelancing business. All right, so the last one would be online course business, okay? Online course business. So just like yung ebook business, this is one way to basically turn your passion into profit, okay? Turn your passion into profit. And most people, they appreciate video, eh. So, sa ebook, kailangan lang basahin, okay? But most people, they're visual. So, some people would really appreciate more yung video format. So, just like kanina, this is passion into profit, okay? At the same time, you can now price this higher. So you can price a online course around 5,000 to even 15,000 pesos per program, per course, okay? So it's very good yung income opportunity if you go into online course business, all right? The cons lang nito, okay? Ito yung pro. And the cons naman nito is that it will take time and you need to have a little bit of technical skills, okay? Technical skills kasi kailangan mo mag-build ng website, kailangan mo pa mag-build ng sales page, kailangan mo pa mag-build ng kung saan mo ilalagay yung mga videos, okay? Kailangan mo pa i-record yung videos, okay? You have to prepare also for the topic, alright? So medyo, it will really take time, but then again, it's really definitely worth it kapag meron kang online course business, okay? That's why if I mentioned kanina dun sa affiliate marketing, you don't have to do all these things kasi i-refer mo na lang, okay? But then again, you don't own the product. But this one, sa online course business, sariling product mo na to. You have full control, okay? You have full control and napakaganda yung profit niya. Okay? So those are the 6 online side hustles that you can start online, okay? So that's it. Those are the 6 online side hustles that you can start at home, okay? So again, number 1 would be affiliate marketing. Highly recommended yan. Online financial coach, stock trading, okay? And then ebook business, freelancing, okay? Freelance career, and online courses business. So 6 online side hustles that you can start to make money online. Okay, so if you find this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe also if you haven't yet. And then if ikaw naman gusto mo ng step-by-step, you wanna learn how to get started with these 6 online side hustles, then meron din akong starter course, okay? Starter course. It's just down the link. The link is just in the description below. So make sure you also check that out if you wanna learn more how to really implement and apply step-by-step how you get started with this online side hustle. Alright, so once again, this is Theo Pilo of freedomloveph.com. Again, freedomloveph.com. If you want more content like this one, subscribe to my YouTube, subscribe here to my YouTube channel, or check out yung website ko, freedomloveph.com. Alright, so I hope you learned something and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!